Unmasking English Vocabulary. Traffic lights explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Unmasking English Vocabulary. Today, we're going to be focusing on a very specific but important part of everyday language, the term traffic light. We will explore its definition and how to use it in daily English conversation. To start, let's define a traffic light. A traffic light, also known as a stoplight or signal, is a signaling device located at road intersections, pedestrian crossings, and other locations to control flows of traffic. Traffic lights are typically red, yellow, and green, each color telling drivers and pedestrians what to do. Now that we understand what a traffic light is, let's move on to how you might use this term in conversation. 1. As a location marker. You can use a traffic light as a reference point when giving directions. For example, turn right at the next traffic light. 2. To describe a situation. We also use the colors of traffic light metaphorically to describe situations. Red can be used to indicate a problem or stop, yellow a warning, and green a go-ahead. For example, the project is at a green light, meaning everything is going smoothly. Practice makes perfect, so let's look at some sentences where we can use traffic light. 1. I'm stuck at a traffic light, so I'll be a bit late. 2. Could you tell me where the nearest traffic light is? 3. The traffic light is broken, so the intersection is a bit chaotic. Remember to practice these sentences aloud to get comfortable with using the term traffic light. And there you have it. We've learned the definition of a traffic light and different ways to use it in conversation. I hope this was helpful and enlightening for you. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. So, try using traffic light in your conversations today. See you next time as we continue unmasking English vocabulary.